Welcome to Garden Savvy. We're happy you're here. After being approved for your listing, either log in from the automated email sent to your inbox or select the Login button if you already know your password. Fill in your credentials. Sign in. On the overview screen, you can track click data, any customer reviews of your company, any forum posts made, business details, or subscriptions. In the Business Details tab, you can add additional details to help customers find your business. Then, click here to edit. If the products you sell are organic, non-organic, or non-GMO, you may select from these radio buttons. You can also select the following radio buttons for customer ordering options and shipping options. If you're looking to supercharge your account, we recommend our Get Certified subscription. It not only applies a golden badge to your account, but it guarantees your listing will be above businesses who are not certified. Our data shows this results in a 200 to 300% increase in clicks. Lastly, the best part about Certified is you can submit your own custom list of keywords to be added to the search algorithm. This enables your business to be searched by any keywords of choice. Example, if your business started in 1950, you can submit the keyword 1950, and any customers who search under that date will find your business. This is an exclusive feature for certified members. Finally, businesses in good standing with many positive reviews will always do better than those without. Because of this, we recommend that you notify any existing customers to leave you positive reviews. Businesses with positive reviews on average see 50 to 75% more clicks than those without. We hope you enjoyed this brief video on Garden Savvy for suppliers. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer service team at info@gardensavvy.com.